It started out as a normal day. A walk, a hike, a paddle, a drive, a short adventure. Suddenly, everything changed. Twisted ankle, phone drop, weather turns, breakdown, lights out, you're lost, you're stuck, you're scared. You're in harm's way. You're in danger. It wasn't supposed to be like this. Crisis strikes when you least expect it. Survival often happens when you are least prepared. And on this day, you seem to bring nothing you now need. But you remembered to bring one thing: your wallet. And this, it's the Tiny Survival Guide. The Tiny Survival Guide is a treasure chest full of the life-saving tips, tactics, and skills you need to survive almost anything. All in a compact, credit card-sized micro guide at less than 1 ounce. Tiny Survival Guide is designed for everyday carry in your wallet, pocket, purse, pack, emergency kit, or glove box, so you can carry it everywhere, all the time. The Tiny Survival Guide is designed to be both a proactive and a reactive learning tool. To be proactive before a disaster strikes, pull out the Tiny Survival Guide often and read it. Commit one new thing to memory each time you open it up. Heed the Before You Go section to prepare for and prevent many common mishaps. Use your mobile device to scan any of the guide's 21 QR codes for links to articles, videos, and apps to further develop your skills and knowledge before a crisis event. As a reactive tool, keep the Tiny Survival Guide on you at all times. Pull it out as a quick reference when you are suddenly caught in an unexpected emergency or disaster scenario. Red sections, D through G, help you easily locate vital information to navigate many life-threatening situations. Quickly find guidance on other topics using the number, letter, and color-coded cross-references that are built into the guide. Inside, you'll learn how to survive wilderness mishaps, civil unrest, surprise attacks, natural disasters, nuclear, biological, and chemical events, abduction, hostage, and terror threats, active shooter situations, vehicle accidents, hiking, camping, and hunting emergencies, and a lot more. Packed with 175 expert tips, 101 detailed illustrations, 67 life-saving skills, 24 essential gear checklists, and 10 killer mistakes you must avoid. This is one tough guide. Designed in the USA and crafted in the UK, the Tiny Survival Guide is fashioned from hybrid, tear-resistant, and weather-repelling materials, found in some of the world's toughest wilderness maps. A great resource for almost anyone who doesn't want to be blindsided by the unexpected. The Tiny Survival Guide is perfect for folks who like to hike, camp, hunt, fish, backpack, go for a Sunday drive, a walk in the park, or explore exotic destinations. Add our new patent-pending Tiny Survival Card to your Tiny Survival Guide for a unique last-ditch toolkit that fits in your wallet. Fashioned from US-made hardened 302 stainless steel, the Tiny Survival Card contains 17 hard-to-improvise tools, including a mini spear point knife, an arrowhead, 3 needles, a finger drill, 6 fishing hooks, tweezers, a fully functional fine and medium saw, a button lure, and 2 micro harpoons. The Tiny Survival Tool travels on a credit card safe magnetic base, so you can use a tool and then replace it on the magnet for storage, making it easy to pre-sharpen the knife and place it back on the magnet ready for use. As you can see, the Tiny Survival Guide is much more than just another survival guide. It's a compact, everyday carry, credit card size life insurance policy in your pocket. This is the Tiny Survival Guide. Be sure to get in on our early bird specials and volume discounts. And know that 10% of the profit from this Kickstarter project goes to veteran, first responder, and disaster relief charities, to say thank you to those who put themselves in harm's way to keep us all safe and free. Thanks for your support.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to get the Tiny Survival Guide and card into your hands and into the hands of millions of folks around the globe who want to be better prepared for their next emergency, crisis, or disaster. But I need your help. When you support this project, you'll get some unique everyday carry survival gear and help to fund our first large production run. So please share this video and campaign with your friends and family on social media, and check out our early bird packages and bulk discounts on Kickstarter. For your convenience, I've placed links in the video description. Thank you for your kind encouragement and support. And remember, be prepared because you never know.